Complex numbers in Python. Are complex numbers a supported data type in Python? If so, how do you use them?
In Python, you can put j or j after a number to make it imaginary, so you can write complex literals easily. The j suffix comes from electrical engineering, where the variable a is usually used for current. Reasoning found here. The type of a complex number is complex, and you can use the type as a constructor if you prefer. A complex number has some built-in accessors. Several built-in functions support complex numbers. The standard module math has more functions that handle complex numbers.
The following example for complex numbers should be self-explanatory, including the error message at the end.
Yes, complex type is supported in Python. For numbers, Python 3 supports 3 types: int, float and complex types as shown below. Output. For numbers, Python 2 supports 4 types: int, long, float and complex types as shown below. Output.
Sorted the chat, even there's sign.